Alright, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is CAC speaking. Today's video, let's talk about how you can use Facebook ads to generate more leads into your business. Basically, for this particular video, I'm making it for those that carry out sales registration. This is applicable to anyone that carry out service-based businesses, right? If your business is service-based, then you are free to watch this video. Don't skip any part of the video. Now, here's the fact. Every business strives based on the amount of leads they can generate. I don't care where your business is. I don't care the level you have gotten to. One thing that gives life to your business is the number of leads you're able to generate. Either you do it consciously or unconsciously, your leads determine the success of your business. So what am I saying in essence? What I'm saying in essence is that you have to, as a business, find a strategy that works for you that will help you generate leads consistently, and that's the only way you'll be able to track the trajectory of your growth and progress in your business. Now let me go into what I'm trying to talk about today. Facebook ads is one of the major strategies that allows you to be able to get leads consistently. In fact, leads that you don't have anything to do with normally. So one of the ways you can use Facebook ads to get leads to your sales registration business is that first, number one, before you start running Facebook ads, make sure you have different social media platforms. Have Facebook, YouTube, or Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or YouTube, TikTok. I'm saying that at least two, in essence, whatever combination that works for you. TikTok, YouTube, good. YouTube, Facebook, whatever it is. Make sure you have at least minimum of two that you are consistent on. Now, once you have those platforms, it now makes it easy for you to run ads on that particular platform. And the reason why you need to be consistent on that platform is that most people, when you run ads on your content on Facebook or Instagram or even on YouTube, people want to visit your account to see the progress. They want to see the testimonials. They want to see the jobs you have done in the past. They want to see the reviews that people have given about the service you have rendered. Don't forget, service-based businesses can be very tricky because you most times don't need to have access to the person, see the person physically before you do the business. The business will still be done. Unlike maybe I'm selling shoes. Somehow, something has to leave me and go to the person because I have the shoe in my office and I have to send the shoe to the person wherever they are. So for service-based, we just have to talk and discussion on the logistics and everything, and then I will render the service. All you do is send me money, right? So you need to make sure that you have built a portfolio on your profiles, either Facebook or Instagram or YouTube. For instance, myself, whenever someone reaches out to me and tell me that can I be trusted, I will tell them I cannot be trusted actually, but the main thing you can do is that go and vet my Instagram handle, go to my Facebook handle, and go to my YouTube account. Check my followers, right? Check the response, response that people have been giving under my videos, review. Just like when you want to download an app on Play Store or Apple Store, what you do is that you check the reviews that people that have used it before are giving, and that way you're able to know if this will work for you or not. The same way people vet you before they carry a business with you. So make sure you have an outstanding CV on your profile. Then you can now run ads. When I only ads, I'll be giving a link around here on how you can set up your Facebook ads, right? But meanwhile, I want this video to be a strategy-based video. So once you have been able to gather followers naturally, right? Your customers, make sure after you have registered for them in the past, make sure they follow you, make sure you get reviews. If not, if possible, ask them to make a video appreciating, or screenshot the conversation with them, upload it as an evidence that you have been able to do so many of this registration to stand as a testimonial for you. That way, any newcomer coming to do business with you will be ready and willing to carry out business with you. Another strategy you can use is to make sure that you dish out relevant content for all business owners. If your space is the sales registration, make sure you dish out content that are relevant, that are very important to every business owner. Topics are very easy to get. Just go to ChatGPT and request for it. Give ChatGPT the description of what kind of business you do, and it will be able to call out different topics you can talk about that regards your business. That way, you'll be able to start building portfolio of your business and be able to start growing your business from where it is now to where it should be. So So Facebook ads have the way of setting your business on another trajectory. Personally, I run ads, but one of the major issues you're going to face when you run ads is that for entry your CAC business is number one. You find people who are already doing it and they just want to reach out to you. They don't want to connect with you. Some of them will just want to use up your ad spend, right? Just click and say hello and they will not say anything again. Apart from that, we also have people who are skeptical. I remember the last ad I ran. After running the ads, I reached out to the person, how far? He told me I wanted to register a business. Okay. He told me that he doesn't trust me, because he doesn't know me. Fine. Go and check my YouTube. He said he has checked, but he still doesn't know me. Okay, that I should help him register the business. When I'm done, before he will pay me. Personally, I don't own my business like that, but just for the sake of breaking even on the ads and being able to build a new relationship, I had to go ahead and carry the registration for the person. He made a first deposit of what name reservation, carry the registration, and then he balanced up after the registration was completed. But that can be a very risky thing to do. What about the person after the whole thing, you spend your money, you doesn't carry the registration? So that's why most time portfolio work is a very good place to start. Make sure you have a track record of people that you have worked with in the past, and those people are ready to give you testimonial to be able to, you have everything you need to convince everyone coming to your business, right? The last thing and the final thing I'm talking about is that to use Facebook ads to grow your CAC business, you must also make sure that whatever you are releasing, you don't have a situation whereby people don't trust your brand. In fact, personally, I will never advise you to run ads. What I will advise you to do is be a content marketer. Push your brand with content, right? Make valuable content. Those content will now be easy. Will now make it easy for you to run ads. When you are running ads, you are pushing valuable content as ads. That's what I'm going to say now. So if, for instance, I make a content on how you can get what are the grants that are available for those who are registered companies, very valuable. I tag it, have a very nice headline and everything, and I push that particular video for more people to see the video. What do you expect that was going to happen? People reach out to me based on the valuable content I've made. So don't be just pushy on your ads. Don't be pushing, or how will I put it? Don't be too aggressive about trying to make sales. No, be aggressive about trying to make sales actually, but don't be too adamant in trying to just sell your product. What you should be concerned about is making sure, even though you are trying to sell your product, you are giving value, right? Value is what people pay for. By the time you say, okay, sir, I'm selling this, I'm selling that, come on, start doing that. No, what people want is value. In fact, sometimes they will pay for value rather than paying for that particular product. When they feel value is going to be given to them on that product, they will pay for it. How do you do that? Is very enlightening and has helped you to increase your, build your mindset rather on how you can grow your business from where it is now to where it should be. My name is Akinbola Iske, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.